Hi folks, Vipin here. This is the first test video on the topic of statistics. Wish me luck. And before I hear some comments in the section, I'm experiencing a bit of camera problems. My camera keeps going out of focus every few seconds. I'm not sure why. I hope I'll be able to correct that in the days ahead. But remember, this is just a pilot video. I hope you go about liking this video and request for more. It's been years since I taught statistics, and I hope I'm able to remember my knowledge and give you the best in this particular topic. Now, let me first talk about binomial distribution. Now, you've heard of this particular topic in your, I think it's in the fourth unit of statistics where you talk about binomial distribution. Like I said, my camera seems to be going out of focus again. So yeah, and he's back online again. So binomial distribution here refers to two events. Okay, hence you have binomial here. Bi here refers to two. So what are the two events that could happen in this sort of a distribution? It could either be success, which is represented as small p, or it could be failure, which is in fact represented as q. Now, finding q isn't a problem if you know p. In order to find q, all you need to do is q equals 1 minus p, and you're able to arrive at this. Now, binomial distribution, the word distribution refers to the chances. How many chances does the event actually occur? You may have seen these problems in your textbook, wherein they talk about, say, bombing a bridge. 4 bombs are going to hit a bridge. What are the possibilities that all 4 will hit the bridge? Okay. Or you have the other one. What is the possibility that at least 1 bomb would hit the bridge? Now there you have an event happening, and the event can either be a success or a failure. Now if I were to arrive at a binomial distribution, say that the value happens to be 0.394, okay, 0.394. 0.394 here is actually a chance. If you take the percentage value of this, you would actually be saying that if 1 bomb were to hit the bridge, the chances of 1 bomb hitting a bridge is 39.4%. That's what binomial distribution actually talks about. It's nothing but chance. In fact, you could do this if you are a person who is into something like cricket, where lots of probability goes about happening in something like cricket. Now you could do a study to see. You have this bowler who regularly bowls, say, a short pitch. Okay. Now it's been 5 overs and he's already bowled 4 balls which happen to be a short pitch. So what is the possibility that in the remaining 5 overs, I'm assuming it's a one-day international and he's given 10 overs. In the remaining overs that he's got, what are the possibility that he'll actually bowl additional short pitch balls? If you do the binomial distribution here, you can actually find out what is the possibility that this guy can actually bowl a short pitch ball. And you could do a little bit of safe betting, you could say. Not encouraging you to bet. I hope I don't get into any legal problems for that. But just saying, you could use probability for this. In fact, binomial distribution is something which people in gambling houses actually use. Okay, if I were to pull out a card from a deck, what is the probability that this happens to be the ace of spades? Even there you have the concept of binomial distribution taken into consideration. So how do you calculate binomial distribution? So you have a very easy formula for that. P of x equals, you would use this particular combination value. I think you would remember this from your days in high school. I'm sure they would have taught you this, permutations and combinations. P to the power of x and q n minus x. Okay. Now n here refers to the number of times you would actually be doing this. Now remember the bombs being dropped on a bridge example that I gave you. Now in that particular problem, you would be using n equals 4 because you are attempting this 4 times. So n happens to be 4. So this is what in fact you would be using when it comes to binomial distribution. Okay, I hope you found this video helpful. I mean, it's just the very rough basics of this topic. If you like it, do let me know and I'll definitely make more. Thank you for your time. Have a nice day. Bye.